Did you know that you can make money online while you ditch the 9 to 5 grind that is just wearing you out and getting you nowhere closer to retirement? Now, are you looking for ways to make money online while you sleep? Guess what? Today's video is for you. If this strikes as something you're interested in, keep on watching all the way till the end. So let's get right into it. Guys, you know that you can promote Amazon products as an affiliate. So are you looking for ways to make fast cash? Yes, so without significant investments, the Amazon affiliate program is the answer for you. Now, the Amazon affiliate program is a simple way to earn money just by promoting products that are already available on Amazon. Commissions range between 1 to 10%. Yes, so depending on the product category. And the best part is, guess what? Commissions are earned even if buyers purchase, as long as they enter through your link. Yes, your affiliate link within 24 hours. The main advantage of this program is that it is flexible. Yes, there's no need to stock any inventory, and promotions can be done through blogs, through your YouTube channel, social media, or even platforms like Pinterest. There's even a way to make money with Amazon affiliates without a website, just by creatively leveraging social media. And here are the steps to get started. Now, go ahead and register for the Amazon affiliate program. Then start by understanding the Amazon affiliate program requirements. After you sign up, ensure compliance with the guidelines like creating original content, disclosing that commissions are earned through affiliate links. Then go ahead and find the right niche and the right products. Then select products with high demand and price between $50 and $150, and make sure that they have good reviews. Yes. Now, you can also use tools like Jungle Scout, SEMrush, and Google Trends to discover potential niches. Do not forget, of course, to check the Amazon bestsellers just to identify trending products. You can also use Pinterest for promotion. I mean, that's a unique way as an Amazon affiliate on Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest is by creating visually appealing pins that direct users directly to Amazon products. Pinterest is often used for shopping, it's for inspiration, and it makes it a high conversion platform. You can actually drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links, and I do it all the time. In addition to Pinterest, TikTok has also become a popular platform for promotion. Short product review videos can capture your audience's attention. Alternatively, also use SEO for blogs or YouTube channels to also attract more visitors to your affiliate link. Yes, to the Amazon page, where you ask them to shop for these products or services. Now, if your website is not available, social media can be used for promotions, and here are some ideas for you. Start an Instagram page, post products photos with engaging captions and affiliate links in the bio, then create video content about popular products like gadget comparisons or usage tips. Now, you can also use Pinterest. Yes, you can use visual pins for products that are relevant to specific niches. How much can be earned? If you're wondering how much Amazon affiliate pays per click, guess what? The program is not just based on pay per click, but commissions from sales. Now, for example, if you're promoting $100 products with a 4% commission, you can earn $4 per sale. Now, selling 100 products a month translates to $400 just from only one product. In fact, I found a woman last month in the UK. She sold a product and she made £2 million. Yes, so just last month on TikTok. Yes, we checked the trend and it just spiked up, I tell you. So guess what? Create that content today. You just never know which of your contents will blow up and lead everyone to that Amazon store where people can buy and you make money while they buy. That's it. It's as easy as A, B, and C. Now, the higher the product's price and sales volume, the greater the potential earnings. Guys, you have heard from me now. You can actually make money using Amazon affiliate. All you need to do is go ahead and set up your own Amazon affiliate link. Then link all your social media pages. Yes, link your social media accounts to it. And then guess what? Let me also tell you something that you probably might not be aware of. Do you know that you can also get paid to review products on Amazon? Yes, you can get paid to review products on Amazon. Companies are willing to send you free products. I mean, they're going to send their products to you for free. You will test it, you will use it, and probably take a picture or a selfie. Yes, do you know you can make money just by taking selfies? Yes, just a selfie, not even a video. Sometimes you just take a picture of the products. That's all. Just a picture of the products without your face in it, post it, and then you get paid. And you also get to keep the product. So guys, there are so many ways to actually monetize Amazon. Yes, so Amazon as an affiliate or as a product reviewer. Yes, you can be a product reviewer, or you can also, you can go the affiliate route. And just so you know, there are lots and lots of Facebook groups that you can join today where sellers are willing to send you free products and also pay you for so doing. So when they send you the product, you get to keep the product. And this is the reason why I have a lot of gifts in this house. I have a gift room literally downstairs. Yes, I have a gift room where they send a lot of, you'll be surprised. They send me fan, standing fan. They send me multiples. They send me kitchen gadgets. They send me a lot of, they send me ring lights. They send me what's this thing called, tripod stand. They sent a lot of things. They sent me microphone. They sent a lot of stuff to me, I'm telling. And then clothes. They send me a lot of clothes. Yes, they send you a lot of items. They send me shoes. Yes, they send me shoes. They send me what's this thing called, steamer, face steamer. They send a lot of things, I tell you. So there are so many ways to actually monetize your passion, to monetize your gifts, and most importantly, using Amazon. There are other ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, like I said, but Amazon is just one of them. And yes, in case you have not seen my previous videos, please make sure that you check them out today. Are you looking to make quick bucks today? Are you looking to make extra cash? You are in the right place. So because me, I will share with you how you can also start cashing out just like I am. And you know what? I have a secret website that no one will share with you, that I am willing to share with you. But I was thinking of making a video and sharing doing a screen, just a screen record. It's just a screen recording of how to go about it, how to find all of those gigs. I'm telling you. And you know what? The best part is you can just apply, but nobody, a lot of people are not aware. Yes, a lot of people are not aware, because I remember there's a recent gig that I got. They paid $1,850, and even the company themselves were asking me, how did you find us? You know me, I'm the queen of research. When it comes to making money, no dulling, no sleeping. That's what we do on this channel. That's how we roll here. If you have any question, you know what? If you want to find out what the website is, the website is exclusive. And there are lots of gigs right there. Yes, some of them, the least I've seen on that website is $75, but most I see, a lot of them are $1,000, $500, yes, $275, $220, $1,500, $1,850. I kid you not. So if you want to find out more about this particular website, to my people, if you're a Patreon member, send me an email. So go ahead and join my Patreon community, and I will show you the way. That's it. That's how we roll on this channel. On this channel, here, it's all about helping you become the best version of yourself. But please go ahead and try out this Amazon affiliates today. Try out all of these different numerous ways. There are also many other ways to make money through affiliate, but I wanted to just touch up on the affiliates part, where you don't need to own any products or service, and you can start to make money just by sharing the affiliate links using other social media channels like Pinterest, like YouTube, like TikTok, just to direct traffic to that Amazon page. And you know what? If your video goes viral, you're likely going to make a lot of money, just like the lady in the UK that made £2 million just last month. So besties, that is all I have for you today. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and good express. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Yes, if you have not introduced yourselves, I'm so sorry. Please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you, and I'd like to meet you in the world I'm tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you, and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, guys, my name is Miriam. In case you're wondering what is this, this is my mannequin. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Yes, this is one of my pieces, and this is my mannequin wearing one of my pieces. Yes, so share the gilly. Okay, yeah. So I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize even from the very first day. I leave you with this, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and keep winning and keep sparkling for the God justice. Bye for now.